Hey there. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the Roth conversion and tax bracket strategy calculator. Deciding whether and how much to convert to a Roth is one of the trickiest calls in retirement planning. And this workbook lays it out clearly so you can see the trade-offs before you commit. Quick note up front, this is an educational planning tool, not tax advice. So always confirm the specifics with your own tax professional. Let's take a look. We start on the Start Here tab. It's a friendly guide that explains how the workbook fits together and the order to work through it. The Settings tab is where you enter your details, your account balances, filing status, and expected future tax rate, which drive every calculation that follows. The 2026 Tax Tables tab holds the brackets, standard deductions, and thresholds the whole model uses, so your numbers reflect current figures. The bracket fill calculator shows how much room you have inside your current tax bracket, reading for the amount you could convert before tipping into the next rate. The conversion plan lets you lay out a multi-year conversion schedule and see the tax you'd pay each year at rates you choose deliberately. The no conversion baseline shows the other path. What happens if you do nothing? So you have a true like-for-like comparison. The RMD projection estimates your future required minimum distributions, the forced withdrawals that a conversion strategy is often trying to reduce. The Compare and Verdict tab puts the two paths side by side, with conversions versus without, and totals the difference, including the tax your heirs would face, which is where these decisions usually win or lose. The IRMA A check flags whether your income might push you into higher Medicare premiums, an easy-to-miss cost of converting too much in one year. The backdoor Roth worksheet walks through the steps for that strategy if it applies to you. Finally, the dashboard summarizes it all: total converted, tax paid, RMDs avoided, and the lifetime difference. One clear view of what your plan does, and that's the whole calculator. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to a smarter retirement plan.